What's up, y'all? Today, I'm excited to talk to you about body contouring for the low. I'm gonna focus more on the midsection because we all know what we can do for our boobs. We can tape, we can buy bombshells, we can buy little sticky bras, you know, the ones that I talked about. We can do all of that. So I don't really need to get into that. I'm really just talking about our midsection. And what do I mean by that? I mean the FUPA. I mean the muffin top and the love handles. I mean the hip dips. And I mean saddlebags, which is my problem. So my bestie and I have both discovered different hacks and products that you can do to hide the appearance of some of these things. But first and foremost, I want to stress that we are all beautiful. And it's important to remember that our imperfections and our differences is what makes us special. So let's go. My first suggestion, honestly, would be exercise and eating clean. You can contour your body to an extent without plastic surgery with doing just those two things. And I only want to mention that because my problem areas I kind of got to tackle by committing to a 6-week diet and exercise program that worked. I saw a huge difference in my body shape, and I also felt way more confident in how I looked in clothes and without them, like in bathing suits and whatnot. Let's get started. Let's talk about hip dips. What are hip dips? Hip dips are basically when you have your waistline, and then instead of your hips doing one of these, your hips do one of these. Basically, hip dips are an indentation in your hip areas. Let's talk about what you can purchase. First of all, mom jeans. Mom jeans are a little baggier, so they don't press into your hips as much, so it gives you the illusion of that like balloon shaped curve. So it's gonna especially hide hip dips. You want a baggier high waist pant. So what I've noticed based on my research is that hip dips appear to be more prominent if you have a muffin top or love handles. So the trick is to somehow hide that. So there's also these two products that come together that my best friend discovered. It's called a 2-in-1 postpartum belly wrap, girdle, pelvis, waist belt trainer. It's got a long obnoxious title, but basically it's a waist trainer and then another waist trainer for your lower section. You essentially just cinch your waist and flatten your stomach with the waist trainer, and then you go the extra mile with this. It goes like this. Let me back up. It goes like that, right around there. It literally just presses in that problem area, so it gives you the illusion of curves. I would definitely get this. I've never seen this before. I've never seen it advertised, and I think this is dope. I don't know how she found this, but apparently this is for women after they just had a baby. Like, we all know that women wear these after they had a baby and surgery and whatnot, but I had no idea about this. I don't have kids, so that's mainly why I don't know. But when I do have kids, I'm certainly gonna get this. This is dope. There's also these Spanx. It's a high waist thong panty, but the waistband is like this thick and it's super constricting. So it gives you the illusion of an hourglass waistline. Because I think that's the trick ultimately. You're pressing in the area of excess fat. So once you press that in, you'll begin to have that curve naturally. When I'm in shape, I don't feel like I need those things, but when I'm out of shape, things like that come in handy to me. And lastly, there are also hip enhancer panties. So what are these? These are panties with padding on the side of the panties that'll give you the illusion of hips. In my mind, it's a dope idea, but my best friend told me that she thought it looked like too synthetic, like it looked like she got her body done in an unnatural way. And I could totally see that. So if you're okay with that look, then these panties are gonna be great for you. If you're not and you wanna look more natural, you might wanna steer away from that. So I feel like the combination of the exercise with the diet, the high waist mom jeans, the pelvis and waist trainers, the boy shorts with the hips on them, and then the Spanx with the tight waistband. All of those will help you with your hip dips. If you have any questions, link me below. I also want to address the FUPA. I have a FUPA. It's not that bad, so I don't try to hide it with Spanx. But the only thing that really hides a FUPA would be the waist trainer, period. Same with the love handles and the muffin top. But I think it's really, really important to mention there's a brand that we all know and love called Naked Wardrobe. Their leggings and their biker shorts, A1. They're double lined, they're super constricting, they have a thick waistband, it just looks seamless, you know? But what I recently discovered is that those shorts can serve as Spanx. Let me show you what I mean. This dress I have on. I put this dress on with no Naked Wardrobe shorts, and it was fine, but I felt a little insecure because the fabric's so thin. It's from Pretty Little Thing, so you know how they do clothes. Like, it's a little thin, it's not really constricting. So I put on those shorts and bam, 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 I got my little curves going. I cinched my waist a little bit. It smoothed out my hips. It just, I was like, what the? I can't stress how dope these shorts are under dresses. Like, seriously, I should have been doing this. I recently discovered this like 2 weeks ago. They press in your problem areas, but they still show your curves. It doesn't just hide everything. And I think that's what's so amazing about them. They really hit the nail on the head with those. I feel like that's a better investment than Spanx because it's like a 2-for-1. You get to wear the shorts however you wear shorts, working out, whatever, and then you get to wear them as Spanx. The only problem is they don't come in nude. Because me, I like to feel like I'm getting my money's worth. And I've purchased dozens of shapewear from various companies. I've never purchased Skims, and I've never purchased Spanx official brand. So I don't know if there's a higher quality there that I'm missing, but I don't actually like shapewear because I feel like it doesn't work. I love waist trainers, those definitely work. I love really constricting fabrics in my dresses because I like dramatic curves, you know, I do the most. So the Spanx that I have purchased don't do it for my saddlebags. I genuinely have them. I used to be really, really subconscious about it. I started working at a nightclub and we had to wear bodysuits or corsets and boy shorts. So we were forced to reveal our bodies to a certain extent. And the love I got from various people on my body and my shape, it really helped my confidence. I don't agree with getting your confidence from others, but it gave me some perspective that like the things that I'm tripping off of aren't that deep. So I don't have those insecurities anymore. I can walk to a pool and not feel like I need to hide my saddlebags. But again, when I gain weight, it kind of gets out of control and I can't. In conclusion, Naked Wardrobe leggings and shorts are a good fix for all 4 of those issues. But also invest in this little duo, which I'll link below. I think you should try the Spanx with me. And invest in some high waist mom jeans. They look flattering on every figure. High waist is basically a godsend. It's a win-win for all of us girls because we all gotta look our best. We all gotta do our best to look our best, to feel our best. So thank you for watching. Please comment and like. I would love to hear from you. I would love for you all to subscribe to me and watch me weekly because I'm out here 2 times a week, every week for you guys. So until next time, girl. Bye.